Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to restart Duolingo. So let's have a look now. To restart your progress on Duolingo and start learning a new language from scratch, you will need to reset your account. Open your web browser and in the address bar, type duolingo.com settings/reset and language. It will open up the Manage Course window. Now from here, click on Reset. Please note that restarting your progress is irreversible and it will delete all your current progress, including completed lessons, XP, asterisks, and learning history. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.